Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Welcome in the witch shelter. In this episode we will finish all the shelter, all the swamp, and we will add a lot of beautiful details. So please be sure to watch it till the end and crack on. So guys, the most important thing is to understand that your base coat is very important for the final effect. For this reason I'm choosing 5 or 4 shades of green for give to the piece a depth and a color that I like for the final effect. I was thinking nature but also mud, also you know the green is the color of the fear, so it's very important that this base coat was mostly green. It's incredible how you can reach the final depth of your piece just shading it with the right touch with your brush. Don't worry too much about the brush strokes on the pool because then I will use a airbrush for the final effect. But as you can see, I put green everywhere, also on the rocks, the bricks. This will give, you know, an unity to all the piece. The highlight is almost yellow, as you can see. At the end, if you want, you can call this piece also finished just with the green shades. As you can see, I'm also putting this yellowish green on the bricks for the shelter, on the shingles even. Then I repass with some medium gray all the rocks that I want to see also at the end after the flocking. So I'm not bothering too much about the rocks that I will cover. I'm just touching the rocks for the final effect. Then flocking. Guys, basically this piece is colored by flocking. I'm not using much color, I'm just using a lot of different flocks. Green dust, brown dust, then a couple of tonality of static grass. And basically all this process is going on centimeter by centimeter, inch by inch. As you can see, under the trees I'm also putting some dry leaves from green stuff wood. It's quite messy. This is the reason why I'm basically keeping my piece on this rough piece of wood. The airbrush has the great power to blend all the pieces together. I'm just using a brown now, then a olive green, a dark green basically, for blending the effect in the deep part of the pool. Then I'm repassing all the wood with some brown, and also I'm using the white for speeding up the lightening of some pieces, for example skulls and the stucco. Now it's time for the resin. This is a compound that needs 100 grams of component A and 60 grams of component B, and actually I'm pouring 2 or 3 times the same quantity of resin for filling all the pool. All the swamp must be covered. Till this point all my base was quite soft but very waterproof, so resin will not escape from the swamp, and at the end the piece will be very hard, very strong. As you can see, I'm searching the right color here, using some green, then some blue, at the end also some brown. Don't bother too much if your color seems not so transparent, because resin at the end will be in any case lucid, so it will give you the desired water and wet effect. Sorry for the airy arm here. When everything was dry, I removed the pins, and with my utility knife I just very carefully detached the piece. As you can see, it's very sturdy, very strong. Then was time for the water effects. I use this model wasser, and first of all I do some ripples and some circular waves, because in these swamps, in these lakes, little lakes, you have always little animals, little stuff that are breathing. And then I finished everything with some movement, very light. Then was the moment for some detail, and I had just a lantern with a little, cheap jewelry, as you can see, using once again the airbrush, firstly for coating, and then for the light effect with some yellow. That's pretty much it. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!